Hi everyone, want to make your videos go viral? Today I'll show you how to edit viral reels or TikToks using InShot. Beginner friendly and super fast. Let's get started. First open the InShot and tap the new project and choose your clips. Set the canvas to 9 by 16 and this is perfect size for reels and TikToks. You can also cut the video short and snappy. Use the split tool to remove the dull moments and keep only the engaging parts. Then tap text and add a hook in the first 3 seconds. You can use a bold font or more, and then you can add or drop a shadow or background for visibility. You can also sync clips to beat. You can add music from the music tab or import a trending audio. Tap the drop beat markers and align your cuts for max impact. You can also add fast-paced transition, quick zooms, or even speed ramping for dynamic effects. Don't forget to add stickers, emojis, or GIFs for personality. And then after that, preview everything, tweak timing, and keeping it up under 60 seconds. And that's how you create a viral Reels and TikTok using InShot. No pro skills needed. If you found this video helpful, smash like and hit subscribe, and then let me know in the comments if you have suggestions and more. Thanks for watching.